Good morning, this is Mathieu. So, like you can see, I have received a big box there. So, I guess this is the time to unbox the veteran Sherman-L, not the S. So it's been about 2 months since I wait about this wheel. So basically it's supposed to be a big lynx. As usual, there is a lot of packaging. Oh, this is a big wheel. Perfect. We have the 5 amps Lynx, the same as the Lynx charger, nothing special. Sherman-L user manual, no fuses on the package like on the veteran Lynx. I know you can see, but I can see. So, as I am very weak person, I'll have to resort to option number 2. I have to do it like this. This is a big box. Very big box. I'm going to China. Bye bye. Good night. And there is still places I could remove that phone, and maybe my girlfriend and I could fit and go to China together. So at first view, the tire seems well inflated. So I'll show you the proper way to unlock veteran wheels. You don't need a charger. So the real way you unlock a veteran wheel is you simply press the power button, and when the count will be at exactly 10 seconds, there will be a beep. You release exactly at 10 seconds and the wheel is turned on. It's alive. Headlight working. The first thing I'll do is to disable that very annoying beep. Oh, the beep. We have to, oh, I'll change this right now, 50, button level. Oh, this is so loud. Okay, I like my volume to be at 0. So now we can adjust the wheel. I'll let the throttle, not throttle, the assist at 50 for now, because I did not try it. So what you want to do, tilt back. I guess I'll set it at 85. OS tilt back, I'll set this at 80 if I can. 81. OS alarm disabled. 200 kilometers. Brightness, I like to keep it low for night riding, that way it will not be blinding. Don't touch this, this is the calibration. Sleep mode, don't need. Kilometers per hour. That was the setting to adjust the calibration of the voltage. Low battery mode for the reserve. If you want to go further and drain your battery more, but this could damage it. High speed mode. I don't know if I really need this. Button, and I wanted to change this. I like to set my tilt angle forward. Okay, we'll start at -3. The wheel is tilting. -3, maybe a little more. Yes, 3.6. Oh, I forgot this has no brake pads. Very scary feeling. So, the first thing I want to do is to remove this thing. It seems to be a lot better than the links, because it has only 3 screws to remove it all. So I'll put the Velcro, and so we remove this 3 screws each side. And I wanted to test these two, 3D printed. Oh yeah. So I don't know if I will use these ones or these knob styles pad. We'll see. Why not put it right now? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And on the links there was this part here that ouch. Okay, still it still hurt. Ow. Okay. I usually wear motorcycle boots, so I am protected, but ouch. Okay. I don't think I will use these jump pads. So I'll remove all of this and install my favorite knob style pads. So I'll need a bit more torque. This is 1. Ouch. This is 2. This is 3. Wow. Great improvement. Congrats, Leaper team. Good job. This is why I keep buying wheels from Leaper Kim. I'm never disappointed. Contrary to the big old Falcon I bought, and there was a loose kickstand right out of the box, brand new, and knocking noise. And well, that's big old. Otherwise, they make really fun wheels, but you need to disassemble the wheel when it's brand new. Not the Leaper Kim. You can just unbox and ride. So right now, we'll need to clean this properly to remove any part of grease, so for the Velcro to stick the best possible. And later I will try to install this seat from AliExpress. There will be links in the description. But I'll need to find a way to attach this directly. Oh, this feels so good. Oh yeah, to the trolley handle. Oh, like this way we can lift the seat at the same time. But I'll need to cut this bolt. I'll find some way. Look at this. This is the upgraded trolley handle, not the first one. I'll put about the same force. This is the movement of the trolley handle of the Sherman-S. And I'll put about the same force. The trolley handle does not move, but all the wheel is moving. Wow, ouch. So, we'll need to clean both sides. Fortunately, we have some brake cleaner. I do not recommend using this if you live If you live in an apartment, I'll put the word on screen. So, oh yeah, clean and dry. That's what you want. So, you spray on the towel and perfect. So when I buy my wheels from my seller, don't ask it, I will not tell who it is. This is a private seller, but they ship me this. Oh, this is for more for the links. Oh, okay. There is more. Wait, there's more. Oh, wow. That's a lot of Velcro. Oh, maybe like this. I think we got it. So there will be the knobs here, the brake pad. There will be not so much. I'm not sure about this setup. No, we'll do this. Okay. We'll do exactly like this. Putting two Velcro stripes, vertical. Oh. What I like to do is, no, that's not true. Not this side. You peel a portion of the top like this. It's not super convenient, but after you do this, so it stays like this. You only have a portion of the stripe that is sticky. So if you messed up, this is okay. So I will stick it like this and cut the excess after. Like it's not perfect. Like this. I'm happy. So now you can work the Velcro like this. Oh. Impressive sound. So we just do it again 3 other times. I'll even give you some light. Oh. So you do it again. You only get a small portion. I like to grab the hairs with my nails and touch the glue as much, avoid the glue as much as possible. I hope you enjoy listening to my breath. This is enough. So we repeat. So we'll make it as straight as possible, flush with this part. I'm not sure. Okay. I think I'll make it lower. I screwed up. Okay, under Sherman-S there is some space here, so I was okay. I hope. So we'll go as low as possible, like this, and you pull slowly on this part. And if I want more Velcro in the middle here, I'll just cut with an X-Acto knife this part here. And if you have ever difficulty to make this stick, you can take an air dryer with some heat and heat it a little bit. It should loosen the glue. So this one will be sacrificial, and it will be going right there. Yes, just like this. So I'll just take a little pair of scissors. No need to mark, I'll just don't do this on your floor. Don't do this on your floor, you will cut your floor. It will be going like this. And we can modify it later to access the bolt. Yeah. Perfect. So brake pad will be around here. Yes. It should be okay. Otherwise, we'll be adding some Velcro. Not a big deal. Okay, this is not even funny. Sherman. This is the 3D printed knobs on the right side. So let's turn this on the right side too. And not sure. It will look something. Yes, I will need. Definitely need Velcro there. Okay, we'll continue. Okay, remove this and this. Oh, this is way too forward. We'll try there. Like this. Seems more logical. Okay, perfect positioning. Let's finish this side. We turn this on. Okay, I'm loose like that, but I go test it in the dark. Ah, cold air. I mean, it feels like a mix of the Sherman-S. Oh, maybe a lot more responsive to acceleration. But I'll change the tilt angle, pedal softness. I'll try 22, and I'll put the softness as at -3. I haven't touched the tire yet. Oh yeah! Oh yeah, this feels good. This feels good. So that's it, and thank you for watching. I'll do some more testing soon enough.